everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Raisin Things. I would like to welcome you to my winter crockpot cooking series. This is where you can find simple, easy recipes to make for a busy day or for a nice warm meal in the winter time. I'm doing a lot of soups, some stews, maybe some other dishes. We'll just have to find out. This one here, this video is a Southwest bean soup recipe that I tried. It was a new recipe, new try for me, and we really liked it. So I hope you like it too. Let's make a crock pot of bean soup. And my favorite tool died tonight, which was my immersion blender. So okay, this is a jar of tomato juice. This is a Rotel. Of course, I can mine. This would probably be half a bag of frozen store-bought corn. And anybody that has done hams for the holiday, you may have a ham bone. Well, this is the ham bone going in. And some chunks too. Okay, 1 carrot. Well, 2 carrots and 2 things of celery going in. 1 thing of chicken broth going in. And then you can either get the dried 15 bean soup, or I had a bunch of dried beans. So I just did the equivalent and had them soak all night. And that's what this is. Okay, I'll try to get mostly just the beans. But there for a while I wasn't doing too good. So I was supposed to put 3 cups of water in. I cooked these a little bit before they went in, so they wouldn't have to cook so long. Just a little bit. And then I will add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And then I'll let this cook till everything's done. I'm gonna cook it tonight on low. Just let it cook low and slow. So when Thad gets home, he'll have something already ready for him. Thank you for joining me. Later. Oh.